Do you confuse bear, beer, bird or beard? Don't worry if you do, it's a very common problem, but I'm here to help. Welcome back to my channel with Kiki here. Today we are gonna talk about how to pronounce these 4 words in British English. So you aren't saying to the waiter, "Can I have a beard, please?" When you mean a beer, or you need to shave your beard. Shave your beard? It sounds awkward for me, for Indonesian people of course. So let's start with bear. Bear. So this one has a deep tone. Air. Air. I don't pronounce that R. I don't say bear. I don't say bear. But I say bear. Bear. Listen and see if you can repeat bear. Air. Air. Bear. Bear. The second one is beer. Beer. So not beer or beer or beer, but beer. Beer. This has another tip tone. Ear. It's the same pronunciation as your ear. Ear. Beer. So just listen and try and repeat. Beer. Beer. Ear. Beer. This one is beard. Beard. It has the same deep tone as beer. Really, it's very similar to beer, except for the final D sound at the end. Beard. Eared. Beer. Beard. So just have to listen and then try to repeat. Beard. Beard. Ear. Beard. Then finally there is a bird, and this has that really horrible sound that I know some learners absolutely detest. But it's there, so you've gotta love it. You've just got to accept it. And so here we have the vowel. Bird. So I don't pronounce that R. It's not bird. It's not bird or beard. But in British English, typically, it's bird. Bird. So just listen and try to repeat bird. Bird. So my top tip to help you remember when you pronounce each of these words is to imagine beard and bear. So think of a bearded man holding a beer. A bird cannot hold a beer. It has a different vowel sound, so it will help you remember. A bear also cannot hold a beer. Maybe it can. Maybe a bird and a bear could hold a beer. Has anyone seen a bird and a bear hold a beer? Or the bearded bear is having a beer with a friendly bird. So yeah, to try and remember, just think of beer and beard. They have the same vowel sounds. Keep them together and it will help you remember. So that's it for me in this video. I hope you enjoyed it and thank you for watching me. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share my YouTube channel, my videos. So thank you for your time. Goodbye, see ya and cheerio.